keys on the beat.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Tata, and I am back again with another video. As you can see today, ta-da! This is the third year in a row. No, my mama got what? She got two of my old gingerbreads. She got one of these and I think the sweater ones from years past that I was supposed to do and I never did. So, but this one, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do this one for sure. For just y'all. So, today we're gonna be building a gingerbread house. So. Hold on, let me start my quick channel. Add that in to my vlog.
Hey vlog, I'm doing some Lego pieces over here. Trees, I got a cherry blossom, a lotus flower, and a balsamic tree, I guess. Yeah, that's it.
One thing about these gingerbread houses, they're so gross. We thought when we first did it, we thought that they was gonna be good, like to eat. But no. What's this? Ooh, these are, I thought these were really peppermints. Do you wanna build a snowman? This one called. Oh, I know, huh? Get that up, get that up. Get that up, get that up.
I'm going to start off with the cherry blossom. Bless you.
Thank you.
Bless you.
Huh? Is she okay? Alright, let's get started on this. Structure. Stand up. How's that up? Front, back, right, left. Get in there. We got these. All that. The other one we did, it didn't have, it had the gingerbread.
People know.
Gingerbread. Da-da, 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 da-da. Why am I putting this? This is the freaking wolf. The roof. The roof. The roof is on fire. So, how was you guys' Christmas? My Christmas was lovely. I enjoyed my Christmas. How was your Christmas, Raymond?
Mine was lovely. I enjoyed it totally.
That's what's up. I'm trying to get this done as fast as possible. Stop taking no time. Just open it. I don't have to cut it. We did this kind, or no, we did the village. Remember me, you, and King and Legend? We did the village, and then we did the sweaters.
So yeah, we did.
And I did buy this one, but I never did it. Y'all know Clay Hustle? I did his. I did his. No, I didn't. I don't even know him. He did one, and his icing thing, this wasn't acting right enough for him. And he went and got real icing. Like, not that it's not real ice, but you know, like the ice, like that icing over there that you was going to use to make the cake. He went and bought one of those.
Oh, wow.
Wasn't
It
really,
was not nice.
I think that it was really
Stick.
doing what it was supposed to do here with that. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
With the base. The base.
Boom, ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Cool. Cool beans.
So next green floor.
I told him black, white, red. Well, it shouldn't take this long if it don't be falling and stuff. Only thing should take some time is the decorations. No. No, this is what I'm talking about. That type of stuff. Like, because if it don't do what I want it to do, throw it away. Look. Am I about to play with this? No, man. And it just broke. So how we gonna put it together if it's broken? Wow. And if y'all know that, why y'all don't make this stuff better? Like, why y'all don't have a stable bottom for it?
That's the thing, we need stuff to hold it.
Right. It has to be able to stand up. Like, what are we doing? Like, you don't even have a... My top is broken. Why is it broken? Guys, the top is broken. Ugh. I was gonna say the only thing that's good. That's not.
One branch, guys.
One branch, guys.
Let's see that.
Just waiting on this. Just waiting on this. How does it take time? Does it like harden? What's going on? Okay, guys. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Luke. Can y'all see it there? Luke. I'm gonna put this broken. I'm gonna make that like a style. As you can see right there, it broke right there, right? So I'm gonna put like some, you know, something like that. We gonna do all of them.
Yeah. If we
How about you do one, and then I'll let you do these two gingerbreads. She said okay, like she don't want me to do it, because if you don't want me to do it, girl, you can get up on my video and go somewhere else if you want to be shady. Shoot, if like you don't want to share, like you just. So like, I don't need to help you.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't, because I got my thing right here. I got my own little thing. I'm gonna put my gingerbreads right here. The one right here, like that. And I'm gonna do the other one right here, like that. We don't need you.
I'm trying to see.
Sit it like this, like that. What was I gonna make it fall? I got some, yeah, I got some lean on it. I'll make it fall. So, we're not doing that. Stupid. Stay together, bro. Why are you coming apart? Cool. I so little. And then I'm trying to stay focused, guys. This is weird. Who made this up? Well, I know today is the 26th, but it's still holiday time, so I'm still finna do my gingerbread house. I bought it. We're gonna get it done this year. Okay. Falling. And I put enough icing on both sides. Slime off. What are you doing? What is you doing? I've not had anybody ever. I know people tasted it. Tasted this anywhere. It's disgusting. But has anybody really like ate it?
That's so nasty.
Right. Even this icing is nasty. Like, is this even supposed to be edible? Not fully seen. How long you can keep this out? How long you can keep this? You should keep this.
Okay.
Throw this away tomorrow.
So leave it out.
Well, we ain't got no roaches and bugs and rats and all that. But we don't want it, so I guess. Or you can put it in the refrigerator.
Oh, yeah.
Keep it maybe till Monday. Monday? Maybe?
Maybe.
Maybe not. Maybe we'll see. Put in your heart. I don't remember. It's only been 20 minutes. And I'm already pretty much done with the base. Do you want the gingerbread? Blah, 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 blah. So... It is. It's at 21 minutes and 48 seconds. And hold it until 22 seconds. 22 minutes. Alright. Okay. So how do we wanna decorate? I'm gonna put these on top. So Remember that little dark part that's in the corner? Dark part. See that? Can you see that? You can see that right there. Probably should see that. They're white. Don't you over there? Maybe you should take my help. But you don't want my help. Tear it up. Tear it up. Let me see. Tear it up. So far. I want to jinx it. We have one more junior stop. Hopefully, we can keep me a smooth sailing like this. That's alright. These are the birds. Oh my god. This one is these ones are really deep. Thank you. Is it eating that out?
Yes, it is.
What is this? I'm gonna do the same method. But, right here. That's cute. You show the vlog.
Yeah.
Cute.
Cherry blossom. At these two, which one do you want to do?
No.
Mm-hmm.
No, I don't want to do one. Because I'm doing this.
Just do one
No.
together Legos.
Mm-mm. Don't want to put together Legos.
Mm-hmm.
You just asked me that. I said no. Did you just ask me that?
Yeah.
You okay? I'll leave it up to you. Do your flowers.
Well, we're on to a side. Bonsai.
Bonsai.
I'm not sure. But that is.
Yep. Yep. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See this so cool.
Yeah. This one has 42 pieces. The last one had 51 pieces. So we shall see how long this one goes.
We shall see. We shall
Frustration.
see.
Okay. Step one. You get your little base.
Step one.
Base. And tree bark. You need tree bark. One tree bark.
She said, come on. That rain sound like on summer be eating.
Oh yeah.
It should be munching, eating. No, she wanna eat all night. It's a rain with the one artist. You still could do a gingerbread if you want. I don't care. I did. You said no.
I didn't say no.
Yes, you did.
I just told you to pick which one. Do you want to do this one?
No, I don't want to anymore.
Why? Well, I want you to do it.
Well, don't matter what you want. You wanted me not to do it too, so I'm not.
No, I didn't.
But I don't want to do it now. The way you was over there huffing and puffing, I don't got time for that.
No, I did not.
I did hear you huff and puff.
No, you did not.
Wow, I can rewind the tapes.
I was focused and I said,
Rewind the footage.
She said, yeah.
She said, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Who?
Me.
Yeah, what?
That you can do one.
No, you literally did say dope.
No, I didn't.
Wow. Alright. Lies you tell. Lies you tell. But I don't do any of this.
You do?
I said I don't. It's not my vibe. It's not my thing. It's not
Yes,
my vibe. It's not. Something better, not no flowers.
Well, we're going to get something better.
Yeah, not that. I don't want to do flowers. I don't want to do flowers. Cute. See that up there? Cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. Let's do the windows.
Lies you tell.
Right.
It's the lies you tell. We'll be taking the lead, bro.
Whatever.
Lies you tell.
You see, you even know. That's why you singing along.
No, I'm singing a song.
No, that's not a song. I just made that up. So, what you mean you singing a song?
Yeah, the song you made up.
It's right here. Slow your roll. You don't even know my bop. You don't even know my bop.
I don't want to know your pop. Actually, lies you tell.
She like to hear herself talk, guys. It's okay. I hear this all day. She just likes to hear herself talk. She's very indecisive. She's yes, no, maybe so. I don't know. Read.
Lies you tell.
See? And that's your theme song. Well, that's all you do. That's all you do. My head's starting to hurt.
No.
My head's starting to hurt.
Time to go to bed.
At 3:57. Look at that. Y'all like that? Y'all see that up there? Cute. It's cool. I'm doing a little something. A little something. 1, 2, 3.
No, you do.
Stop that.
Okay, that's
Stop that stinking stuff. That's stanky. That's nasty. Don't do that. Massage yourself. Stop.
This one moves. This one moves.
Which one is that? Oh, that one. Cool.
Glad you did.
Something wrong with it. Something wrong with it. Something wrong with it. Stop doing that. And you trying to sneak into it like I can't see you. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Glad you did. So,
That song makes me speak into you. Speak into yourself. Speak into yourself. This side, since we got the little glue, you can put like it could be somehow we're gonna have to I'll just leave it until we're done. That's how we're gonna do it. Da-da.
ooh, that's prettier.
Oh, she yelling. I'm so scared.
Ta-da. Now we're on the lotus, guys. This one has 59 pieces. Wow, most out of all of them. Let's see how this goes.
Let's see how this goes.
Let's see how this lotus.
Get that away from my gingerbread.
I can show them the lotus.
Yeah, because it looked like you were getting too close. And you know how your arm gonna give out. Oh, my arm just gave out. I didn't mean to drop it. I didn't mean to drop it.
Lotus flower bomb. Firefly.
Get on.
She takes me high.
Braylon. So like somebody drunk that tea, nobody wanna hear that. I don't. I don't. I don't.
Okay.
What's she tired? That's why it says East Coast. It says easy build. It's pretty easy. Falling in the beginning, that wasn't cool, bruh. That wasn't cool, bruh. Put some more. Excuse me. What do you guys plans for 2026? Our plans for 2026 is just to take 2025 and make it better.
Excuse me.
Bless you.
Thank you.
And in this land, this land. I'm enjoying Christmas. And after this, find the whole page together. And then after that, nothing. Ooh. Okay, y'all start doing that in my video. She is always choking and gagging and having a lot of what's going on. This is much pizzazz. Yeah. And you don't know. So the blue, that's the window. I might put some like sides. Gingerbreads, because I actually can. Before my camera down. So we're gonna do the gingerbread folks. Ginger. So we're just gonna start off putting I am tripping out, dude. I'm tripping out, dude. We do snowflake eyes. Snowflake eyes. Snowflake eyes. Snowflake eyes. Oh, just for the photo. Tick-tock. Tick-tock.
Bye-bye.
What is that? Look like a transformer. Go park. Yeah, that's a lot. I'm not gonna go in there this week. I promise you I'm not happy. We're gonna try to do all that wiggly stuff because it's not gonna come out like that. Nope, never. You didn't want to. Back up. Nope. Nope. Get up out of here.
Not my jump button.
Hi. Now you want to try to come over here and get in our business. It don't matter what you love. We didn't ask.
Stand him up.
I don't want to stand him up. And you go right here. I want to stand him up. Girl, don't try to come over here. Did we go over here and yell at your flowers? No. I said no. You want to decorate one? Okay, so what? Why?
I was helping whatever.
I don't need help. I didn't ask for help. Never asked for help. When did we ask for help? Never did we ask for help.
Tick tock, tick tock.
Okay. You gonna melt the icing. Get that bread. We didn't ask for you to be bothering me. Alright, that's it. I'm tired. No, I'm gonna do sides. You don't even know my bop. 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 See, already being stupid. You don't even know my bop. You don't even know my bop. Let's see, guys. It may not be happening. It's not happening. Yeah. Nope.
Should I save these?
For what?
In case they're ever destroyed.
I don't know. Do whatever you wanna do. I'm done with this. I'm done with this. Y'all see the gingerbread? So yeah, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video because my camera was on 8%. So I'm done. I'm gonna show y'all. This is just it's enough of that. Bye bye. right in here. See, that's all we can do. Thanks. I was gonna do the little side thing, but I don't feel like doing all that. This stuff is already falling. So this is the gingerbread house. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media. Taste Season 3 is my Twitch. Follow my Taste Season live channel. Follow my Instagram is SheStupidThick. SheStupidThick with 2 K's. And that's gonna be the end of this video. And I'll be back again with another one for you guys next time. Oh, my bad. Look at me. She has her. Oh, she got it off. Here.
Hey guys, I finished these. So this is my cherry blossom. You guys see that? That's cherry.
Okay.
And then we got like this one right here. It's called something. I don't know what it's really called, but we're gonna call it family tree. So we got cherry, family tree, and we have lotus flower fly.
What? I thought it was flower bomb.
Oh, flower bomb. And then that's that one. A lotus flower. So yeah. Y'all like? You're gonna go on my bookshelf.
Nice.
You know, I thought this was glue, like you just put dots of glue, and I was like, how'd you get the glue to look like snowflakes, frost flakes? And then I looked, I was like, oh gosh, flakes. It looks like a little house.
This is not glue. This is icing.
I mean, icing.
Because I ate some.
I mean,
Nasty though.
Yeah, this is cute.
But yeah, it's done. You put it in the fridge, let it freeze. And then I don't know what else to do with it after that, but yeah, nice. You guys like? Cool. Nice. Braylon, the video's over.
Oh.
Okay, bye.